Hello, welcome. In this lecture, let us try to go deeper into the concept of agile and understand why exactly the agile is needed. Imagine you are owner of a bank, you want to offer mobile banking solution to your customer, and you approach an IT company and they will ask 1 year of time to build the app. But the problem is requirements keep changing and regulations in the banking industry keeps changing, and also other banks might come up with some new features by the time 1 year gets completed. And also, if some requirements are misunderstood in the initial stage, that will get built and you will come to know it only after 1 year. For example, let us say you ask them to build a mobile application with these features, and if some of these features are misunderstood or missing, then you will only come to know after 1 year, which is a lot of time, right? So in agile, what you will do is just take a one feature first, complete it in 2 to 4 weeks of time and present it to the customer, and customer can immediately give the feedback. Also, in 1 year of time, other banks might come up with some other attractive features like loan management, personalized bank offering, insurance management, personal financial management, loyalty program, and many other features they can add into the mobile banking app, and they can improve during those 1 years. So to be able to adapt to the changes quickly and to be able to accommodate the changes even in the middle of the project is important. For example, we have seen in waterfall model, only after this phase gets completed we will move to the next phase, right? And there is no choice of going back to the previous phase. Let us say requirements are completed by 100%, and if there are some issues, and same issues will get carried forward to design, coding, right? Finally you will get a faulty product. In agile, what will happen is you will only take up the important requirements, high priority requirements first, and you develop that and you present it to the customer, and immediately will come to know if there are any issues. In today's world, business dynamics is changing very quickly and new regulations are coming up. So you cannot wait for so long to get the things done, and you need to be able to adapt to the changes that are coming your way, right? That is why agile is important. That is why we have moved from waterfall model to agile model of software development in most of the organizations. Thank you for watching.